So yeah, you can see it's come up with all kinds of ideas, and it's kind of matched them in a similar way to the ads from the context that I gave it. Some of them don't make sense if you kind of look at it, which is fine. You know, you've got 57 to choose from. Some won't work, some will. In this case, I chose Pencil Perfection, which was the ad for Faber-Castell in the example ads, where they'd aligned all the pencils in the shape of famous artwork. So I thought that could be a fun one to explore with donuts. So that was the concept that we decided on. So the concept is reinterpreting famous food paintings using donuts as the medium to promote Krispy Kreme Original Glazed. The image that we're going to use is famous food paintings recreated with meticulously arranged donuts. And the headline, artistry in every donut. The cleverness aspect is the meticulous recreation of famous artworks using donuts as the medium, showcases the product's quality and artistic appeal in a visually striking manner. Okay, well, that sounds like a fun concept, so let's get into it.